Hello student of class 12. This video is the continuation part of the previous video, binary operation. I will discuss some sums about binary operation. I know if a set has n elements, the number of different binary operations can be defined on A as n to the power n square. So, if it is told that let A be a set of 3 elements, then the number of different binary operations on A will be 3 to the power 3 square, because here n equal to 3. So this is equal to 3 to the power 9. Next sum is if A operation B, this is equal to A square plus B square, then the value of 4 operation 5 operation 3. Here I can write 4 operation 5 equal to 4 square plus 5 square operation 3. So I can write 4 square plus 5 square. This is A, now this is A and this is B. Here this is A and this is B. So I can write for A operation B equal to A square plus B square. So I can write 4 square plus 5 square. Here this is A and this is B. So I can write A square plus B square. This is the answer. Okay. Sum number 3. Let this be a binary operation. On the set Q. Q is a set of rational numbers. Q, set of rational numbers. And it is given that A operation B equal to 2A minus B whole square for all A, B belongs to Q. Question is find 3 operation 5 and 5 operation 3. And another question is 3 operation 5 equal to 5 operation 3? Is it another question? Is this equal to this? So, solution is for 3 operation 5, I can write this is A and this is B. So 2 into 3 minus 5, this is whole square. 6 minus 5 equal to 1. 1 belongs to Q. Okay. Next, 5 operation 3. Here 5 equal to A, 3 equal to B. This is equal to 2 into 5 minus 3 whole square. This is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. 7 square, that is 49 belongs to Q. 3 operation 5 and 5 operation 3 is becoming. But is 3 operation 5 equal to 5 operation 3? No, because 3 operation 5 not equal to 5 operation 3, because 3 operation 5 equal to 1 and 5 operation 3 equal to 49. I know if A operation B equal to B operation A, then the operation is commutative. From here I can conclude that since A operation B not equal to B operation A, so this operation here, this operation is not commutative. Here A operation B not equal to B operation A. So here this is not, operation is not commutative. Okay, student? Next question is, the operation star is defined A operation B equal to A to the power B on Z, that is for all A, B belongs to Z. Z. Show that short form of show that operation is not binary. We have to prove if A operation B, it is given that A operation B equal to A to the power B. If I prove A operation B equal to A to the power B belongs to Z, for all A B belongs to Z, so I can tell operation is binary. If I take 0 belongs to Z, if A equal to 0, this is solution. If A equal to 0 and B equal to 0, then A operation B equal to 0 to the power 0. This is meaningful. A operation B equal to 0, operation 0 equal to 0 to the power 0. Meaningless. This is meaningless. Here 0 belongs to Z, but 0 to the power 0 not belongs to Z. So the binary operation, that means binary operation is not binary. Although A 0 belongs to Z. Next sum is sum number 5. Let, this is an binary operation, and here it is given that A operation B, this is equal to A to the power B for all A B belongs to Z. Prove that 0 is neither commutative and nor associative on Z plus for all A B belongs to Z plus. If I have solution 2 belongs to Z plus, 3 belongs to Z plus, and So 2 operation 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 3. This is equal to 8. And 3 operation 2 equal to 3 to the power 2. This is 9. Here 2 operation 3 not equal to 3 operation 2. So the operation is not commutative, although for all AB belongs to Z plus, that is 2 belongs to Z plus and 3 belongs to Z plus, but 2 operation 3 and 2 operation 3 not equal to 3 operation 2. So the operation is not commutative. And for associativity, I am doing 2 belongs to Z plus, 3 belongs to Z plus, and also 4 belongs to Z plus. But 2 operation 3 operation 4, that is equal to 2 to the power 3. Here A is 2 and B is 3. A, B. 2 to the power 3 operation 4, that is 8 operation, that is 8 operation 4, that is equal to 8 to the power 4. Next 2 operation 3 operation 4, that is here A, B equal to, here it is A and it is B. Here 2 operation 3 to the power 4 and 2 into 3 to the power 4 means 81, and here this is A and this is B. This is equal to 2 to the power 81. This is equal to 2 to the power 3, 4, that is equal to 2 to the power 12. That is equal to 2 to the power 12. Here 2 operation 3 operation 4 equal to 2 to the power 12, and 2 operation 3 operation 4, this is equal to 2 to the power 81. 2 to the power 12 not equal to 22 to the power 81, therefore operation is not associative. So I can tell here the operation is not commutative as well as not associative. I hope you will understand it. I am ending here. Next sum will come in next video.